Hey geeks, it's Andrea. I'm here with a new idea and a curiosity whether or not you guys are interested. You see, I was recently asked to make a doll by my niece, this cute little bunny kit. Nice, right? Wrong. This thing went south every step of the way. I didn't think of this early on, so I don't have a lot of progression pictures, unfortunately. I want you to take a nice look at what it's supposed to look like. What a cute little bunny. Wrong. You're probably asking yourself where the ears are. We'll get to that. Let's take it back to the beginning. When I was a young child, around 5, and my grandmother taught me how to crochet. It's a wonderful memory that I will cherish for the rest of my life. Little did I know that none of your business years later, I would be trying to make a doll for the first time. Well, I did make a Sackboy years ago, but I followed a video or something and I don't remember it. I also never finished it, but that's a whole ADHD thing. Let's not touch that. So now my niece wants this bunny. I can totally do that. It's Christmas time. I'll make it happen. Oh, no, 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 no. The first thing I did, as with any yarn set, was ball up the yarn to make it easier to work with. Cheap yarn, but it's a $13 kit, so whatever. The tools are plastic and cheap, but I don't know any better at this point. Then I look at the instructions. What the French language is this? This is a beginner kit. Let's check the website. Yep, $13 for a beginner's bunny kit. Lies. All lies. Okay, fine. So I learn how to make a magic ring, and fail, and learn again. This happens about a dozen times because I am reading instructions on Google. Then I find this miracle website that tells you how in pictures. Perfect. Got it. So I make the head. I follow these instructions so carefully. I looked up every stitch to make sure I remembered right. Why is it so big? This head is flipping huge. You can't tell, but at the time, it almost had no fluff after using the entire bag and a bag of another kit that we'll get into next time. Alright, and there's another problem. Supplies are dangerously low on the cream yarn. There's clearly not enough cream or pink to do this kit. Friskies, here we are back to Amazon to buy a second kit and some fluff. Okay, another $20.31 down the drain. Fine. Back to this oversized head. Look, it says the doll is almost 7 inches wide. Okay, I believe you. We're probably fine. So I go to make the ears. Notice how the picture is of a bun? Yeah, I made the ears 4 times. Every time it came out a bun. And the last time I decided it's going to be a ballerina. So I filled that sucker and I sewed it on. So now we have the supplies and even more fluff. I don't want to talk about it, really. Let's make the arms. Great. They look like boxing gloves and they're 2 different sizes, but you know what? I did it by the directions. That is amazing. I'm so proud of myself. Legs, same thing. Get them both done. Super proud of myself. Time for the body. What the fluffer nutter are these instructions? Forget them. I'm making a second head and adjusting the proportions. You know what? Judge all you want. It worked. Time to fill it all up and sew her together with this 5-cent plastic needle. I'm not triggered, you're triggered. So I sew the head on. Looks crappy, but it's on. Legs and arms too. Last thing to do is make the skirt. I was able to follow the instructions on that as well. So here we are with a finished and earless doll. Yes, I should have given her human ears. That would have been great, but I have no idea what I'm doing and I didn't want to. Whether or not I had the supplies to make them is between me, Chase, and whoever you believe in. So that's it, the bunny story. If you're interested in more videos about me making crocheted projects, let me know. Okay, bye.